Hello, my name is Vic Burcardi from RTS Consulting and Automation, a trusted 17-year partner specializing exclusively on digital manufacturing with SAP. I'm excited to announce today that manufacturing companies with SAP Business One can now use and leverage all of the capabilities in SAP Digital Manufacturing cloud-based solution. This has just become possible as a result of RTS developing the RTS MES Gateway 10.0 for SAP Business One using BTP. RTS developed, SAP certified, and now available on the SAP Store. This gateway brings unparalleled capabilities in giving the smaller manufacturing facility the same capabilities as medium to large enterprise manufacturing organizations. With RTS's 30 years of manufacturing, execution, delivery experience, we leverage SAP Digital Manufacturing to bring manufacturing to a new high-performance level. Looking at optimizing manufacturing, reducing production downtime, and driving new levels of profitability for the manufacturing organization. Talk to us how we together can bring extended value to your manufacturing clients and opportunities, as well as your SAP Business One practice.